Join me as I challenge myself to whip a kachumbari just like a pro. What you're going to use is an onion, and you're going to use two tomatoes. You're also going to use a lemon, and you're going to need avocado. So what you're going to do first, you're going to chop the onion into small pieces. So we're going to do the same for the other half. Now we have our onion, which has been finely chopped. What you're going to do next, you're going to put this onion into warm water, which has salt in it, salty water, so that it is able to remove the bitterness in the onion. So we're going to put it there to remove the bitterness, and then you're going to wait for it for about 10 minutes. So as you're waiting for our onions to remove the bitterness, you're going to cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Into fine pieces. Like that. I do the same for the remaining half. Now we have our tomatoes, they have been finely done. So we're going to mix the onions and the tomatoes in a bowl. So we're going to use this plate to mix them. So I'll start with the tomatoes. Next, you're going to drain the water from the onions after the 10 minutes. So we want to assume that the bitterness is already gone or somehow reduced. Now we have the onions, they have been well drained. So you're going to mix this with the tomatoes. like that. Then we're going to add the avocado so that it is able to give us the creamy mixture. And then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to cut the lemon into two halves. And then we're going to use only one half. We're going to use this half to squeeze the juice into the mixture. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add a pinch of salt. And then you're going to mix the mixture. So that is our final mixture, our final kachumbari. So what you can do, if you want an added taste, you can add coriander or you can even add pepper. This is best. You can serve it with ugali and nyama choma, or you can serve it with rice.